Hello ladies, welcome. This is Coach Malaika here. If you are noticing increasing hair thinning or shedding during your menopause transition, you are not alone. That I want you to rest assured that you are not alone. See, hormonal changes can significantly impact your hair strength and growth. See, what it does is it leaves you frustrated. Trust me, I know. Feeling frustrated and self-conscious because I've been there. How I know? Because I walked in your shoes before. But here's the good news, and I can't wait when every time I want to tell you the good news. So you can take natural, effective steps to support your hair and boost growth during this phase. Crucial phase that you and I are taking. Here are 7 natural ways to stop shedding and promote healthy hair crown. Number 1, I'm going to talk about maintain a balanced diet. I can't stress this enough. Rich in vitamin and mineral like biotin, zinc, and iron. Number 2, we're going to talk about hydrating. I have mine. Keep your scalp healthy and hydrated all the time. Number 3, we're going to talk about incorporating scalp massage with nourishing oils such as rosemary, castor oil to stimulate blood flow. Very important, ladies. Manage stress, number 4, through meditation, prayer, gentle exercise. Stress can accelerate hair loss. When you're already stressed out, your hair will prioritize healing versus growing. Use gentle hair care product, free from harsh chemical and avoid excessive heat styling. That's why I produce my own hair care. Number 6, consider natural supplements specifically formulated to support hair growth and during menopause. Number 7, we're going to talk about prioritize quality sleep to help your body repair and regenerate hair follicles. Without that, your body is not getting the right environment. If you are ready to take control of your hair health and feel confident, ladies, again, it's time for a personalized approach. Schedule a strategy call with me. It's only take 30 minutes. So I can help you prevent further shedding and thinning. Access our specialized hair growth formula tailored for menopause women just like you. Improve your overall well-being with a holistic approach. It's very important. Designed just for you. Those are the stuff that you are not going to find out there because I'm going to study your body and come up with something that I know. Your hair deserves the best care during this crucial phase that you and I are taking. See, one thing that's happened is like with hair, a lot of people don't get until when things are getting really worse. First of all, when our hair starts shedding, we kind of like, oh, maybe I'm stressed out a lot, oh, maybe because I'm used to that. But hair really, for my faith, the Bible said that hair is a woman's glory. So can you just imagine for a second? So I'm losing that, I'm losing my glory? But no, you don't have to. See, there is a pathway that you and I can restore. I can tell you guys see around, this is my hair. But I have a story, which you guys been in this channel. First of all, if this is your first time this channel, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss nothing that I'm doing. Listen, lady, we are going high 2026. I'm here to help you out. And my wish is for you to live your best life. Okay? Either way you are menopause, perimenopause, or postmenopausal, we can still live our best life. Okay? So I went to a journey where my hair fell out. And I have to actually take time to learn my body. Design thing. That's why now I customize my own. Now I'm offered that to the public. I make my own shampoo, my own conditioner, my own living in, my own body, but you name it. So ladies, I'm actually preparing to launch. Okay. The product I say, I just have a lady today came in and buy 180 product because it works so much. That's actually her second time. Her sister was the one was the first one that when she came in. So the whole family now is involved. But I promise you, ladies, my pleasure is that when you get something in your hand, first of all, the thing is, if I'm gonna go to buy a hair product and it has all of this list of ingredients, no, I don't want that. That's the first thing that I realized when I started taking care of my hair with stuff that I made. And when people come to me that I customize stuff for their own body, their own type of hair, guess what? They grow. the hair just grow. The hair, the thing is, it's alive. Hair is alive, okay? And God designed it to grow. Normally, each of us have about ½ inch every month. So we are qualified by 6 inch of hair every year if everything goes well. But some of us, is not even the issue that our hair doesn't grow, but it's just that our hair doesn't retain length. Am I right? Click this. Let me know if I'm right. You know, a lot of us, the hair grow each month. But if every time that your hair is out, if also you're losing it. Why? Because the environment is not safe. Your body is telling you the environment is not safe, so the hair can not stand. So if you are ready to make that move, ladies, I am here for you. We have our crown restoration Kimberly's, and we will take off for you. So, again, this is Coach Malaika, menopause hair specialist, and I'm here. I help people to restore their hair. The hair is not just hair, ladies. It's go behind that. And it's gonna be a privilege to be here and walk you to the path. So if you're ready, I'm gonna put my calendars. You just come in, it's free. Come in and get. For you guys are already on the group, it's free for you. You know, normally my consultation are $100 an hour. But if you're already on our menopause group, then it's free for you for 30 minutes. All right, so again, I will talk to you soon. Ciao for now. Thank you so much. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and talk to you soon. Ciao.